If you're trying to choose between Plus500 and CommSec, you're not alone. Both are popular platforms, but they serve very different purposes in the trading world. Let's take a closer look at what each offers, their strengths, and where they might fall short, so you can decide which one suits you best. First, let's talk about Plus500. Plus500 is a global CFD broker known for its simplicity and ease of use. The platform is designed for beginners, making it easy to trade across multiple markets, forex, indices, commodities, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and shares all through CFDs. That means you don't actually own the underlying assets, you're simply trading on their price movements. Plus500 also includes handy risk management tools like guaranteed stop-loss orders, which can help protect you from sudden market swings. For anyone wanting a simple, no-fuss entry into CFD trading, it's a solid choice. However, there are some downsides. Because Plus500 focuses only on CFDs, you won't get access to real share ownership or dividends. It also lacks advanced research tools, detailed analysis, and the broader account options you'd find with more traditional brokers. It's best suited for short-term traders who prefer speed and simplicity rather than long-term investors building a portfolio. Now let's move on to CommSec. CommSec is Australia's largest online stockbroker, built for investors who want to own real shares and take a long-term approach. With CommSec, you can buy and sell ASX-listed shares, ETFs, and even international stocks. Unlike Plus500, when you invest through CommSec, you truly own your shares, meaning you can earn dividends, use your voting rights, and grow a traditional investment portfolio. CommSec also offers excellent research tools, detailed company reports, and educational resources